Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the 5 latest useful kitchen gadgets on Amazon. You can buy these gadgets under $15. So let's get started. Number 1. Zezzo Garlic Press Rocker. Effortlessly crush garlic or ginger with the Zezzo Garlic Press Rocker. Crafted from durable food-grade 304 stainless steel, this ergonomic kitchen tool ensures comfort and efficiency. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Includes a garlic peeling drum for easy skin removal without the odor. Ideal for cooking enthusiasts, chefs, and garlic lovers, this Zezzo gadget simplifies culinary tasks with its ergonomic design and effective functionality. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Katiar Corn Cob Stripper. Effortlessly remove corn kernels with the Katiar Corn Cob Stripper Efficient Peeler. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this durable tool ensures easy cleaning and lasting performance. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build offer a comfortable and fatigue-free grip. Versatile enough to handle various corn cob sizes, it is ideal for home kitchens, restaurants, or picnics. Compact and portable, it's a convenient addition to your culinary essentials. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Rongyman Magnetic Measuring Spoons. Discover the Rongyman Magnetic Measuring Spoons, durable stainless steel spoons ideal for precise cooking. Their sturdy construction resists rust and deformation, while the dual-sided design suits both dry and liquid ingredients. The set includes 8 spoons ranging from 1/8 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon, complete with a leveler for accurate measurements. These spoons feature strong magnets for easy nesting and storage, making kitchen organization a breeze. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Kruggo Multifunctional Lid Cleaner Brush. Introducing the Kruggo Multifunctional Lid Cleaner Brush, a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning set designed for bottles, cups, and tight spaces. Crafted from durable, washable materials, these brushes withstand high temperatures for long-lasting use. Featuring soft and hard bristle heads and a hook-style remover brush, cleaning is effortless. The space-saving design with interchangeable brushes and hanging holes ensures easy storage and organization, making them essential tools for cleaning needs. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Akagani Chicken Shredder. Meet the Akagani Chicken Shredder, a time-saving kitchen essential for effortless meat shredding. Featuring plastic spikes for a secure grip and even shredding, this tool is perfect for chicken, beef, and veggies. With enhanced spikes, ergonomic handles, and heat-resistant, BPA-free materials, it ensures safe and efficient shredding. Easy to clean and versatile for various dishes, this shredder is a must-have for every kitchen. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.